Okay, this video we're gonna walk straight down that right there. Before we even begin, this is all called Coloane, part of Macau, and it's kind of beautiful. There's little houses up in the hills like that. Then this right here is all China, Hengqin Island, part of Zhuhai, China. That right there is University of Macau. So University of Macau is connected like that. So anyways, we're basically overlooking China, but we're in Macau. You need a passport to go back and forth between these two. So let's go check this out. We're gonna walk down the boardwalk there. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're walking on the Macau side. Coloane, straight ahead. There's a temple right there. And we're gonna follow this down. And I'll give you the name of the street. But I think we might call it like the Coloane Boardwalk. Kind of marshy. There's a bunch of birds down there as well. So here's the name of it, Avenida de Cinco de Outubro. I think that's if you know what that's all about, let me know. Okay, so we're gonna come through here. Okay, there we go. So now we're just kind of walking down the boardwalk. Yeah, you got some. We're gonna try to capture those. I'm gonna try to capture these birds down here. I think these birds are like swans or something. I'm just gonna walk all the way down here. You can kind of see them right there, right? Okay, let's keep on going down. Yeah. So I think they're all kind of like exploring this whole little area right here.
Now we're gonna cook something.
All right. All right, bye. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna probably capture. Maybe I'll just bring the camera down and just walk down this way as well. Are you still living way over in Coloane, or?
Yeah, I'm here, just in the end of the street, behind the.
Okay, we're gonna end this here, but so we basically just walked all the way down there, and I ran into my friend Papi, so he's from Argentina. Might have saw a couple of him in there, and so just kind of and this one is quite a few people, so we got people coming up this way, and then we also have some of this spot here, and she's pointing to something. Let's see what this is that she's pointing to. Oh, she's actually pointing to some fish. Oh, they're like that. Yeah. So I guess there's some pretty big fish in here. Yeah, you can kind of see some of those. Okay. Oh, she says I should go around and film from that side. Ah, thank you. So we'll come down and take a look. So it looks like she's yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So there's somewhere down in there. Yeah, yeah, she's telling me. She's telling me some big fish down there, so. Yeah, I think he was just telling my friend from Argentina was there too, so he was just kind of telling me that that what happens is the tide goes in and out, right? So then sometimes really large fish get trapped in here. So she's telling me there's some big fish in here. So that's kind of cool. Glad that she was telling me that. So okay, so maybe we'll keep on this one, and then and this is kind of our whole little path right here. So kind of interesting part in Coloane. Yeah. From the water. Ah, yeah. So I think the water comes in, big fish. Yeah. And the water comes back out.
咁啲大廈幾靚啊！哇，你睇好多魚啊！哇，好靚！
Yeah, a lot of times this water comes all the way down to here too, so she's actually saying that. Yeah.
你
sounds
講
good.
得好啊！
That's pretty cool. Okay, so I guess
你靚仔啊！佢中意睇啊，好多魚啊！你睇。
she saw some of the kids too, so maybe the kids know as well. So yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so we'll end this one right here.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.